Hello team, welcome back to the channel. My cat's decided to use this as a bed, so I'm taking a minute to clean it off real quick. Today we're going to be working on my senior year scrapbook. My 10-year anniversary is coming up in May, actually. Here's a look inside of what I got done so far. Just some cheer layouts, mainly. And then I've got something about Spirit Week, my senior trip, and that's about it right now. Grad photo was the star of the show today. Here's some different stickers I plan to use for this project, at least hopefully. These photos I might end up using on another page in relation to this one, and of course all the graduation photos that were taken during my graduation look like they were all taken on a 4th generation iPod Touch, so they all look like shit, but yeah. I also have this photo book with a senior photo I want to use in here. I think I'm gonna cut it out and use it at some point. Also, no idea what the hell that angle was. Sorry about the quality of the video. This was taken on an Android, so this is about as good as it gets. Also, I hope you don't get vertigo from camera shake, because this does not end anytime soon. Anyways, here's a bunch of glitter paper and other thematic sheets that I have out. My method is to pull out a bunch of relating thematic paper and narrow it down on what I plan to use. So I've decided on the grad theme paper. It makes the most sense. At first I decided I wanted it to be the entire background, so I'm cutting it down to an 8x8. I ended up changing my mind. I decided I wanted to use one of the scraps I made as an accent against a black background. I really want to incorporate these stars somehow as well. I had them back when I was a cheerleader, when I would decorate lockers, so I have no idea how I kept these in good shape for 10 years, honestly. The challenge here is figuring out exactly which scrap I want to use and how I want to lay it out. Generally, whenever I use a thematic piece of paper on one layout, I will use the scraps on another to match the theme. So whatever I don't use here will be used on another page. Finally got over my commitment issues and decided on a layout. I'll probably use the 8x8 I cut out for another related page with some of my other photos. These stickers are a bit of a challenge because clearly they are meant for 12x12 layouts, but that's what I got scissors for. Now, I haven't glued down my photo yet because, one, I still haven't decided on the star placement, but I also generally don't glue down my photos until I'm absolutely sure of where I want my paper, stickers, accents, letter stickers, everything like that. Obviously, you could peel up anything you glued down, but I don't want to risk ripping the paper or damaging the photo in the process. Letters are the most stressful part of the process. For me, I never stick them down all the way at first. I like to just put them on there meticulously, and then once they're in a good spot, then I'll go ahead and push them down. Again, I just don't want to risk ripping any paper. Okay, so here is the finished product. In hindsight, I probably could have added a little bit more to this layout, and there's a chance that I'll go back to that page and change things around, but this'll do for now. Thanks for stopping by, team. Don't forget to like and subscribe on your way out. Thanks for watching.